Yeah, man. We're live for Elden Ring After Dark Fire Giant Lightning build. I'm buffing and going, guys. Rhodes, what's up, dude? Man, I told you guys I had a moment today with a dear friend of mine who helped me how to figure something out. And I'm not going to constantly restream to multiple platforms all the time. I'm not going to, guys. But you know what I am going to do? I got a lot of After Darkers that we got to pick up, man. We got to pick them up, baby, because a lot of them don't know that we've moved the After Darks to YouTube. And as of now, we have for over a month. Oh man, X, right? Way too close. I knew that was late. I gotta drink. Come on, buddy. Get him. Get him, get him, get him, get him. That wasn't too bad. It was like 8% or something. Now he moves on me. Okay. Guys, we are trying the build. Get to the hitbox. Get to the hitbox. That helped. Phase 2. Is that cheesing? We cheesing? Edgar Castro, what's up? Caleb Boyd, what's up, guys? How you doing, man? You guys, I am restreaming to... I'm not going to do this because they say, oh my God, when you stream, it's too much to handle. And I've always known it. But I think I'm live on YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, and X, which is Twitter, which is just always there. It's just something I can click a button and do it, right? Actually, I'm working on getting my TikTok set up. We're going to do that. This phase, I think, might be a little bit more lightning arrow. Guys, I hit it. I hit the button 3 times, man. Edgar Castro, I hit the button 3 times. Now, our flask is on. You want to bail away and rebuff? I've found it's not a bad thing. Because the flame grant me some strength. Look at that, lightning was... Oh my God, look at him! Dude, he was freaking dying. Look at him. Look at him. All I gotta do is anything, guys. All I gotta do is anything. I'm gonna lightning sprint. Can I shoot from here? I can't. I can't. Okay, I should be buffing, guys. I'm over here doing this. He's gonna come at me. He's gonna shoot poopies at me. Alright, let's get mana. Dude, Fire Giant's going down. Can I target him? Dude, I can't target him? I should have got off. Should have got off. Get him. Without healing. Okay. First attempt. First attempt 5%. What's up, guys? Oh man, Mullinix, what's up, man? X sounds so naughty. It does. Why do they call it X? It sounds like the P word. They should have just called it P. Matt Brewer, how you doing, my brother? Good to see you, man. Dude, the After Dark is finally back to Facebook. Is it going to be back on Facebook forever? Guys, we have been playing After Darks on YouTube, and what I need you to do is go to Charlie Sardo Gaming and go to the top, and you'll see the pinned comment to join the live alert channel when I go live. Anywhere in the world, I just post a little comment. I'm going live here. I give you a link to YouTube. All you can do is click it, and you're there. You're there. It's for the After Darks. Chess community is staying strong on Facebook, but we have to branch out, guys. It's part of life. Dude, I had him, Bielski. I had him on the first attempt, guys. Now watch it just get worse. Let me see. Just finished second character, first playthrough, Frenzied Flame ending. Dude! Nice. Did you NG plus the other character? Curious about that. Okay. Same thing, only we're going to kill him now. And we didn't summon. We don't want to. We want to be a good cheese player, folks. You save the flask for later because... Flask it now. Didn't get hit. I'm a little far, so he's probably going to try and jack with me. Dude! There's no way! The cheese works on a fire giant, man. I feel like I just should run up to him, but I think I'll die. I think I died last time, though, right? Billy Molnix's Bleed, Frenzied Flame, Build, end of it. Yeah, my other characters. Okay, max level. That's right. Okay, good, man. Bielski, how you doing, my brother? Dude, now, if he still was getting lightning when I logged out, should I just run up and try and put him away, guys? Let's try it. Because now I know Fire Giant dies tonight. I'm in a fire. I knew that would help. I knew that would hurt me. I told you. That's a cheese mentality right there. But I spent a lot of time. I ran behind him. I probably should have just ran to his hand, right? Yeah. It's okay. We'll get the perfect cheese melt. It's gonna be a cheese melt, folks. Dude. There's last time on my first attempt, I almost killed the fire giant, and then 5 streams later, I was doing better and better, and I had him probably 5% a couple of times, but just wasn't getting it done. This is like so cheesy. When I can get phase 2 instantly, you know what I mean? You should wait for the poopies to stay away. That AoE is brutal. Okay, Billy. Kevin Cook, how you doing, my brother? Stay away. So you're saying poopies are bad? Okay, no poopies. No poopies. I probably should have topped off on mana too, because this is a quick kill, guys. It's not a long fight. Okay, so far so good. You better swing at me, bro. No! Why would I stay there? Why would I stay there? We're burning flask. We're burning flask, guys. We're burning flask. Phase 2. See, so it almost doesn't matter. Oh, I wanted to hit him with that too. I didn't flask! God, I almost had him. Fire. Just making balls. Come on. I need my ritual talisman, guys, so we gotta heal up. It should be good. Oh my god! If that keeps burning in the cutscene, I think it will. Facebook After Dark. Trey, you know it, man. My friend on God today finally explained to me how to restream to YouTube and Facebook. I'm gonna keep the After Darks on YouTube. But there are some stragglers from Facebook that literally don't know what's going on. They think I'm just gone. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm going to pull away this time and summon a little bit buff a little bit faster, because I really kind of... And then I started playing with the... lightning... No. This is the full cheese scenario, guys. Guys, that pull was botched. And then we just got him. Dude, the cheese build tray is working so good on the Fire Giant. Way better than I thought. Look at his health, guys. We're going in for the cheese, guys. We're going in for the cheese. We just got to get close to him. I got too greedy with, like with the balls. You know what I'm saying? I mean, okay. What I should have done there was he's casting balls. Bait the balls. Don't get hit by the balls. Guys, phase 1 is so fun because it's so cheesy. Going back to YouTube. Come over here to say hi. Cool, Caleb. Cool, man. That's some crazy cheese right there. Colin, it is, man. Hey, Charlie and Chillers, coming good. Got you. If you're watching on Twitch or X, man, hello. But main chat today, I've got a big chat for Facebook. I've got a big chat for YouTube. And we have some stragglers, guys, on Facebook. I think they have no idea that we moved the After Darks. And they're each... If you guys know, I'm talking like literally each individual is very important to me. You guys know this, right? I didn't flask. I got a drink right about now. There we go. Now I should get phase 2 in 2 hits. I was a little late on that, guys. Phase 2. It's the cheese I'm talking about. Okay, now we have to be patient. Dallas White, what's up, my friend? How you doing, man? Dallas, you know that the After Darks are on YouTube now, right? I managed to restream here to Facebook as well because I want everybody to know. It's Charlie Sardo Gaming. 8 p.m. I've been keeping a schedule pretty good, man. Pretty good. Cheese is going down. Note to self, don't get smashed by Giants' balls. Billy Mullenix. I don't know what's worse. The Giants' balls or the big black ball? YouTube, like, and comment. Sent to. Thank you, Trey. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it, guys. Man, the After Dark here on Facebook is popping, guys. Just 20 people right out the gate, and I haven't even been doing this. What kind of cheese? Yours. Nacho cheese. Guys, I'm a little bit scared. You guys like the idea of backing out? You know, I run behind him sometimes. I'm going to run behind him because I feel like it's closer than behind him. See, people run up to his hand. Oh my God. Give me some strength. I want to make a golden vow right now with all of you. See, now here's what I don't know what to do. I got to jump off when he's ready to hurt me. Get him! Dude, I was afraid I didn't do that fast enough. Put him out! You got lucky. That is the lightning freaking build cheese right there. Fire Giant went down, man. He had no chance, folks. He had no chance. That was sick. That was no hit, right? Was that no hit? Are both your seals plus 10? I'm going to say yes, both my seals are plus 10. And I have to tab out to hit the backtrack to be sure I got that fight. Yeah. That's a beautiful thing, guys. Guys, it took a couple of pulls, I'm not going to lie. Yeah, 8 health pots. Yeah. I think that was no hit, guys. Dude, I had no idea what to expect. Oh, equipment, by the way. Yeah, both seals are plus 25. Gravelstone, right? Gravelstone is the right... Am I using the wrong seals? Maybe we could have done that like one-phased them. Gravelstone seals, right? They're not sombers. Dude, Edgar Castro, I freaking did it. Billy Mullenix, Dallas White. No hit. That is my first no-hit Fire Giant, guys. Guys, That was my probably... It gets confusing. I know I have 20 Elden Beasts done, but I've got a couple of playthroughs going right now. So that was around 21 or 22nd Fire Giant. 21 probably. Yeah, they're both 25. They're both 25, and yeah. And you know, it's scary to me not walking around with the sword, but I walk around. I'm a caster, man. I'm a caster. That was freaking sick, wasn't it, guys? If you guys like what you see, if you haven't told me you like, you forgot, I'd really appreciate a like. If you're watching on YouTube, man, a sub would be great. You can like there too. Follow on Facebook. What do you do on Twitch, man? Just give me that. Guys, when I need to get the numbers on Twitch to monetize there to improve the scenario, I will. Right now, I want to continue my Facebook growth, and we have to get a footing at YouTube. And you guys, most of y'all are 25 to 40, 25 to 35-year-old males. You guys know what YouTube is. Probably better than me. You spend a lot of time there. I do. I'm a YouTuber, guys. I freaking love YouTube. You know what I'm doing, guys? Because I'm really known as the chess guy on Facebook. I really am. So I've been focusing the chess on Facebook. You know what I'm saying? I think it's a good move. And I know some of you guys after Darkers are like, what are you talking about, bro? I'm a gamer true and true. I don't even watch the chess streams. I watch Elden Ring After Dark. And you freaking left me. I know, guys. Guys. Believe me. I fear change. I'm like, what is Bill and Ted's Big Adventure? We fear change. I fear change. I don't want to change anything. Guys, sometimes you get pushed out the nest and you got to. Sometimes you got no choice. We burn the tree. I don't really care. Dude, that was an extraordinary fire giant. That was extraordinary. I really believe that was. That was extraordinary. I don't recall ever... well, I've never no-hit fire giant, for starters, right? Couple warm-ups. I tried a couple things. Like, I just ran in and died in that one thing, right? And then we just backed off and dismounted at the right time, and we got her done, man. Congrats on 750. What? Did we hit 750 on YouTube? Oh, that's good news, man. I really want to hit 750. Next stop is 800, and then we'll get to 1,000. 1,000 is the next big thing, but no, I haven't killed Niall yet. We're gonna go kill him right now, and I have a sick amount of confidence right now, and we'll see what the I'm gonna grab the grace but not burn a tree. You know, you always kind of, how often this happens in my life, guys, because I live the rock star lifestyle, okay? Breaking news. Charlie Sardo Gaming lives a rock star lifestyle. But I don't know how often everyone gets a young lady with one eye that approaches them and asks them if they'd like to commit a cardinal sin together. For me, a couple times a week, okay? But in game, it really touches home, guys. It really touches home because I'm like, do you want to commit a cardinal sin? I'm like, do you not know me? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the After Darks are a little bit different. Now, Grace Lake, and we go up, right? Dude, that was freaking so much fun. What a great start to the stream, man. Yeah, Niall, and I'm going to try and solo him, too. Nice job, Charlie, on the subs. You put together a great community, man. You deserve it. Kevin Cook, thank you, man. 751, we're getting subs! YouTube, thank you guys for subbing, man. Check this out, dude. I was talking to my girlfriend tonight, and we're performers, man. We're performers, okay? I mean, you know, we're not exactly like carny clowns, okay? But, I mean, some people might think that. But between hosting open mics, hosting karaoke, live music performances with the band, okay? Streaming. We're performers. And because of this, you know what comes around performances are people. And when more than one person comes, sometimes they say hello, they meet each other. And then you know what gets built? A freaking community. And it's an amazing thing. And believe it or not, communities form, guys, like at my open mics. Like it's a real community at my open mic at Brass Hall, and at my open mic. Is this the right way, guys? You guys are like, dude, you're not going. Am I going the right way? Well, I'm being attacked, so. Is this the invisible bridge? Why can't I see it? Oh, yeah, I got the invisible bridge hack. I'm going that way. I want to go directly behind me. Even though I did Frenching Flame ending, I'm going to get... Oh, I think I know where I am now. I'm going to get jacked by the freaking... You guys want to see if we can kill the tibia... Where is he? There he is. He should be easy. But I really went for it. I'm too close to him. He's going to hit me with the boat now. I took poopies. Oh my god, he doesn't take damn. He doesn't take damn. He doesn't take jam. I mean, okay, we didn't buff up, but come on. Don't put more poopies on me. I'm trying to freaking melt you. I'm too close to him, huh? He's like 75%. Okay, we're gonna... Not you. I want this fool. This is better. This is better. 1000%. You'll go down. I just want this for the, to make the summons go away, right? It just feels good, guys. It's like house cleaning. Charge it! Oh, no. I pushed too hard, guys. Breaking news! You guys missed it. Okay, let me tell you what happened. I'm going to give you guys the replay. I jumped down. I hit him with lightning, okay? He takes like no damage. He was like, we're not la 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 la. He was in the eye of the storm. All the poopies were hitting around the outside. I might have hit him for 10%. I didn't buff, but I didn't get him. Then the little snail poopies kept rolling at me and shooting like skulls at me. Doing little damage. I'm healing up because I'm my ritual sword talisman, guys. And he's going around real slow like a big dum-dum, and I'm having trouble hitting him with the cheese. And so what I decided was to hit him with the lightning spear. By the way, very professional streamer here at Charlie Sardo Gaming, folks. Guys, I freaking killed Commander Niall on the coffee cam one time. I swear to God. I'm like, oh my God, the ads are going down so quick. We finally got it. Oh, wait, whoa, 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 whoa. And I'm telling you guys, people were going nuts. Whoa, whoa. People were going absolutely nuts with it. The talking refrigerator. Yeah. Breaking news. You guys didn't miss much. And I didn't get any text messages. So sometimes the mods will be like, dude, breaking news. It's like, hey, it's my life. It's my life, folks. I'm a little excited about the fire giant. This is it, right? We gotta find the spot to go down. Thing is, I'm gonna buff now. See if we can get down there in time, guys. Because cheese is important. What are we doing here, guys? We're here to cheese. Are you here to cheese? I'm here to cheese. Oh my God. Is he right here? Yes. Okay, well, that took him at like 60%. I want the range, guys. Yep, that was better. You just got to range him. Range him, guys. Dude, the poopies are coming at me, man. I'm too close. Got him. Okay. 2 attempts, guys. We just killed a freaking fire giant, no hit, and Tibia Mariner melted us. Can I get my runes, please? You're annoying. You know what you are? You're dead, is what you are. You're a rolling snail, and you're freak. Well, he's got some. Dude, that dude's got some guts, man. Okay, we might get the grace if we're lucky. Don't we have to get past a bird? Yeah, Niall, we're going to Niall, man. Trying to see the screen through the sunglasses reflection. Did you get any gameplay, Molinix? That's a move, man. You guys have seen the videos of like the hackers and stuff, the cheaters, and like you can see the hacks in their glasses. Guys, I'm telling you, man. That's why I never wore sunglasses until I stopped watching certain types of stuff on my fourth screen, guys. Now I can like, okay, good, you put sunglasses on because you're not going to get caught. Really hilarious, but so true, man. There's a great picture. There's a great picture of me and a girl. And my glasses are so... We're outside. And you look at my glasses and they're just completely a full, huge, beautiful shot of cleavage. And it was so not intended. It just happened. I'm just going to run in, guys. I don't kill stuff. When we got the band together, man, we're goofing around. You know, I feel like I should keep a... No, just go. Just run. This is a run, guys. We're NG. This is NG plus 9. Begin journey number 10. See, those things you can run right by them. These things are the freaking hassle, guys. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh my god. See, now just doing that will keep that freaking bird from chasing me, and so maybe I am going to kill stuff. See, because this is so easy. And now I won't be chased. Isn't there another bird? Where's the next bird, guys? Birdie? Give me that loot, buddy. Thin beast bones for me. Okay, breaking news. Okay. I don't even know if I have damage negation in this flask. I just want the grace. I'm not killing stuff. We ain't here to kill stuff, guys. So I'm burning the flask. Okay. A little bit of stam for him. He hit me. He hit me. He's gonna block me. I don't want to die. I want to get the elevator too in one run. One run, guys. The one run elevator scenario. I can get it, right? And then, do you think I can run in? Oh, I drank my flask though, so it's not like it's going to be a good move to pull me all without a flask, right? I might fight for my life though. Well, that guy died quick. These guys do so much big damage. There's only two of them. Oh, you got lucky. You got lucky porting through the malarkey. Oh my god, someone threw poopies at me. I didn't even know there was a third person. I'm getting third person here, guys. I'm getting third party. He hit me. Okay, so now that we've done that, you guys want to just go in and see what happens? I'm not sure if it's a good move, man. Those are some of my favorite videos to watch. I used to watch a streamer that would openly hack on Warzone just to watch him get banned over and over. Seriously, Bielski? Yeah, but and don't those games cost money and stuff? I don't think I can cheese this. I might be able to do some cheese if I bewitching branched both of the ads and then ran in and cheesed. No, he is not going to stand still. He is not. That's why I'm thinking that idea I just had. Inventory. I only have one bewitching branch. Let's see if we can item crafting them. You would think I can only make 38, guys. I can only make 38. Let's go ahead and make like 13. Okay, now equipment Thorio. I got to put it like right here, right? Now, I saw a guy, bewitching branch, And I'll tell you how he did it. He ran. You got to be close, though, right? Might need Comet Azure. No way, man. I mean, maybe I might. But I got to give these bosses a real chance. He ran up to the first one and bewitched it. Then he had to dodge, I think, one attack from the one on the left, and he bewitched it. And I think I would buff out here, but drink, maybe drink in there. If they're both beating on Niall, though, he's going to be fighting them, right? So he's going to be, so I don't know. Oh no, I don't even have my flask. So guys, this is a test. This is a bewitching branch test. Okay. And then I'll go, yeah, we're low on health pots and everything, guys. I've never done this before. I think I might have tried it once. Stream Rock comes on. That's got me pumped, guys. I'm pumped. Come on. Kill me. I don't even want to be here anymore. Hey, you know what though? I told you I saw it in a video, guys. You guys think I'm not consuming freaking Elden Ring, man. So I'm going to do exactly that. And then I'm going to start throwing poopy things at him. And I'll have a flask. For massive amounts of damage. Those are some of my favorite. Okay, got that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I got to try some of these myself, man, because it's the cheese build, and I want to do some of these bosses alone. My spell. Yeah, I guess I could have. You're right, Edgar. No, you're right. My spell, I need to get close, but I can get too close. And yeah, I never stood hacking, paying money for hacks just to get hit by anti-cheat, possibly hardware ban, just not worth it to me. Yeah, it's a different. I get people are having fun. People are having fun, guys. I've never been one to enjoy cheating in first-person shooters, but I know what they're doing. They're goofing off, dude. They're goofing. You know what I mean? You just never get to know exactly how good you might have been. You know what I mean? Okay. I'm going to bewitching branch again, guys. That was freaking hilarious. Think I can pull it off again the same way? I think I can. It was pretty easy. It was pretty easy, right? Okay, I'll try the Ancient Lightning Strike again. Only I won't get too close, because there is some range involved with it. That was slow, guys. And I waited. Yep. Nope. I didn't get my target on him. It targeted Niall, guys. And there's not a lot of time for it. I mean, you saw how perfectly I did it. The way I did it the first time was exactly like I saw it in a video. Exactly. So now, I'm going to try it again. We got plenty of bewitching branches, which I wish I had on my Redubia dagger build. Yeah. And you know what I can do? There's always the great option of just run in, summon a Tish, lightning bolt the first one, kill the second one, and then lightning bolt Niall. You know what I mean? That's a kill. This is a little more fun, and I think I've bewitching branched like one of these fools or something, but I've never like got them both before. I thought it was too hard. You know what I'm saying? Thought it was too hard until I saw a guy do it. I'm like, let's try it, and I did it on the first attempt. The problem is I targeted Neal. Okay, so let's do this. Whoa. I want to hit it again, guys. And I'm going to have to... I got them both? I didn't. I'm getting damn. Oh, I didn't think he was going to charge me right there, guys. Dude, this is going to be tricky without a Tish, man. Even, guys, did I hit both of them? Did I hit both of them with one Bewitching Branch? Because I got the first one. I felt like I got him late again, but I was far enough away to where I felt like I could get the second one. So I target the second one, and the second one's beating up on y'all. Maybe he was beating up... Oh, he might have been beating up on the other dude. Is that what happened? It's hard to say, folks. Basically, dude get tired of cheaters, so they start doing it to shed light on it, right? For people playing, get cheats and X, they lose customers. Yeah, you know what? I knew guys that would cheat. They would be like, I think this guy's cheating. Like, yeah, I think he is too. He's all, I'm going to turn my cheats on and find out. Now, I didn't have the cheats, but this guy did. And you know, he would look at him through a wall, and he'd walk this way, and the guy would go that way, then he'd walk the other way, and the guy would walk the other way. And, you know, they'd be like, if they'd be the last two guys left, 1v1, and it was just very obvious. But cheating to catch cheaters is like, what? If you think they're cheating and you're good at the game, you probably have an idea they're cheating, right? You guys want to just try... I like the Bewitching Branch start, though. I should bewitch both of them and then just run away and summon Tish and just do this. The Bewitching Branches is fun. I've only used 4 of them so far. It's kind of fun, man. I just wish I could target this guy quicker. Why can't I summon Black Knight Tish? That was good. Maybe through the shield? Okay, good. Now, I still should have Flask, right? Oh, yeah, I just don't have free mana. I gotta remember he charges. Yep, and I remember that being a problem. Getting the timing down on that, right? Remember that, guys? Oh, God. Okay, and that's the problem with the freaking, Is Tish still up? I thought Tish was down, guys. You got to go early, guys. You got to go early. Oh, God. I early panic rolled. Tish is dead now? Got him! Gotta dance! Got him, guys. So what you're saying is bewitching branches are good, but it's not like it's not the end all do all. You know what I mean? That was NG plus 9. Yeah. You got this, told you. Well, I summoned a teacher though, man. I was trying to get the cheese off, man. But it was not coming together like the fire giant. You know what I'm saying? It really wasn't. People basically, dude got tired of cheaters, so he started doing it right to shed light. Yeah. Hoping Activision does something about it, but they won't because they make money. Yeah, but you know what? That's like a real white knight kind of thing. We should all do it. Why don't we all cheat to shed light on it? No. In my humble opinion, don't put cheats on your computer. Not to prove it. I think it's I don't know, man. For me, I don't know. I've seen some of the videos too. It's like the guys like whoa, it's over here. The guy's like very careful. Was it the guy in Tarkov? Like he won't attack anybody. He doesn't kill anything. Right? So he doesn't affect the game. Yeah, you affect the game. If you make a footstep and someone hears you, now they're worried about that footstep they heard and they get killed from somewhere else, you affected the game. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm just saying like if you don't know hacks exist, just watch the videos of the hackers. I believe they exist. I'm just like, man, it's better not to. It's better not to. So we got our Hallery thing. We lost a zillion freaking runes. I had 600,000, man. Yeah, no, I understand. But like I say, you know, when someone else does it, I'm not like, you know, yeah, he's being white knight. It's like, I didn't need you. I didn't need some dude to install hacks on his computer and run around hacking to tell me that there's hackers. You know what I'm saying? It's like, to me, he's just another guy with hacks on his computer. Didn't rest at the Grace. Herbert! I didn't rest! Herbert, how you doing, man? You usually tell me that in the replays. I love you, brother. How you doing, Herbert? Herbert, we have moved to After Darks. If you haven't seen Elden Ring After Dark here on Facebook, I am doing them on YouTube. It's Charlie Sardo Gaming. I'm actually live there right now. I recommend going over to go on YouTube, Charlie Sardo Gaming, subscribe, check it out, hit the bell notification, and also join our I'm gonna show you right now, our live broadcast channel. People across every platform can do this, but you know, it is on Facebook. But if you go to Facebook, the top of my page, there is our Chillers Real Life Meetup, and there is also our live alert channel. And if you join that channel, when I go live, you get an alert every time. Every time. And that's freaking huge. So, for guarantee live, I said liver alerts. Click here. And that's even if I go live on another platform, guys. If I go live on YouTube, I still post it here, and you'll get the alert. And I'm doing that because we are getting a foothold on YouTube, and I need to do it, and it's going very well, guys. And it's got me working, guys. I'm picking up a new passion, guys. I'm picking up a new passion, not necessarily for YouTube. Facebook has not been growing, guys. It's been this rock solid killer thing, exactly the same for 2 years. And things have happened to where it's a good idea for me to start diversifying a little bit. And so if you guys I would appreciate it if you ran over to YouTube and throw me a sub and get involved with the After Darks over there, because it's huge. Okay, now that we've done that, now we got to burn the freaking tree. But once we burn the tree, guys, this playthrough, this is an NG plus, right? We could burn the tree, right? Argelis, what's up, my friend? Raham Quater says, I feel sorry for anyone that cheats in any kind of game. Not fun in my book. Yeah, man. Yeah, no, Rahan, you're right, man. But you know what? Sometimes people need the glory, man. They need it. They can't, maybe they feel like they can't earn it themselves. You know, guys, I'm not a grandmaster. I can't go to a top tournament and win the whole tournament. There's going to be a master there, or international master, a FIDE master like David Bassett. There's going to be someone else that gets to win the tournament. I'm not that good. I can win the A prize. Where's my... You guys are going to get stuck on breaking news. Breaking news, guys. This is the B trophy for Pasadena Chess Club. I am the 1989 B section club champion, folks. Club championship. Very prestigious tournament, guys. I got a trophy, dude. So, and I feel good about that trophy. I earned it. I actually tied. That's the B prize, guys. I skipped the A prize, and I tied with the under 2200. He had 4.5 out of 6, and I had 4.5 out of 6. I'm like, well, how come I don't get that prize? I tied with him. They're like, no, you're the B plate. You're the B prize. I'm like, huh? That's stupid. I beat my expert, and I won all my other games. I think I lost one game against a freaking a master. Okay, guys, my life is chess. I talk a lot of chess. So the point is, you can get little glories, man. You can beat your buddies at golf. If you can't, you could get second place. You could beat someone at the pool hall. Not at the pool hall. You're not going to beat anyone at the pool hall. You could beat someone at the bar playing pool. Hey, I win. Monopoly, I win. You can win. Some people, I guess they need the glory, man. You know what I'm saying? Cheaters. I definitely don't condone it. I think it's extremely corny. I just know of him and his reasoning. He doesn't get my stars. Yeah, no, I got you, Billy. I understand, man, and I get it. And to be honest, I watched his video too. I did watch his video too, and it really didn't annoy me that much. I just, like I said, I just kind of felt like I don't need that dude. I don't need that dude to install hacks and be cheating in a game. And he's saying that, oh man, I went the wrong up. He's saying he's not affecting the game. Like I said, if someone sees you across the map, you just affected the game in Tarkov. Because that's like DMZ. That's like DMZ. When you die, you lose your loot, right? That's the one we're talking about, right, Tarkov? Being in a game, you affect the game. You do. Sorry. He could say, I never fire anybody. It's like, you're not, he's either not dumb or he is dumb, and he doesn't play first-person shooters enough to where he doesn't understand that being in the game affects the game. And so I'm just like, yeah, I already know there's cheaters. It is funny though with the stick figures, and they do the crouch. The cheaters do the crouch. They go up and down like this, and they see each other through walls, and that means I can see you, you can see me. We know we're cheating. You should be proud. That's epic. I am proud. Rahan. Yeah. No, like I said, I went 4.5 out of 6 points, man, in the club championship. You guys, wait. I didn't get the cart.
Very well.
I told you.
I
told you it's pretty common for, a pretty young one-eyed female to come up and ask me to commit a cardinal sin, but it doesn't mean I don't like it, right? So we're going to go and try this again. Show what I'm talking about.
Are you ready to commit a cardinal sin?
I thought you'd never ask. Oh, I'm ready. No, I'd like to wait. I want to be a tease. No, let's sin it up, baby. Cardinal. Where is he? Last week was the bishop. Next week's the pope. She's going to put her hands on me, guys. She's going to put her freaking hands on me. I didn't want to show you guys this. Iggy. Dude, I'm spent. But they didn't show the whole thing, guys. She's going to burn the freaking tree right here in front of us, huh? Never gets old, folks. Never gets old. Dude, the lightning build, last time we did it, we were probably NG2 or something, NG3 or something. This is on the NG7 scaling. It's the hardest scaling, and I never dreamed Fire Giant would die like that. Not like that. That was really cool. My sister has been subscribing on Facebook for 2 years and 3 months. Great supporter. Thank you, Kid. I was messaging with her earlier, guys. You're the best sister in the world. Yeah, man. And if you're watching over there on YouTube, the subs are great. Your tree you shall burn. Cool. I posted a new short today. It was, what is that thing? That thing on the steps outside of the, well, we're going to go see it right now, I think. The rolled lift. Black Kindred Spirit. Is it that guy?
For the sake of the new Lord.
She's burning a tree, guys. It's wrong to burn trees. Unless you're cold. Well, just burn it for fun, though.
Thank you for guiding me here.
Well, I can't imagine why you might need some help. These cinematics really are freaking awesome. We're getting more, guys, in June.
The one who walks alongside flame shall one day meet the road of destined death.
Destined death like Malekith? Is that what she's saying? Is that what she just meant? Is that what she just meant? Did it all just make sense? Now we gotta go kill Malekith? Is that what she meant? I might be able to cheese Malekith on the pole, right? Phase 1, no way. But doesn't he make an attack and you have a second? Melina got all hot and bothered with her Post Malone tattoo, says Billy Mullinex. Lightning Build destroys. Oh, Michael Reed, it does. Did you watch the new DLC trailer? Bastion Bree? I did, man. Bastion Bree, and I want Bastion to know. And Michael Reed, Raheem Quater, James Harrison. James Harrison, good game, dude. You guys all gotta know the After Dark. I've been streaming pretty much every night about 8 p.m. or at 8 p.m. unless I have to work on Tuesdays or I have to play music on the weekends. But every night, pretty much 8 p.m. on YouTube. Charlie Sardo Gaming. Go there, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and get involved, guys, because a lot of people were watching the Elden Ring streams here, and I try to tell as many people as I could, but I realized after I did a month there, and I realized, like, Mex came in. He's a moderator. Mex is active, but maybe not as much in the After Darks. And Mex didn't freaking know. He's like, I didn't know you're on YouTube. I'm like, dude, I've been here for a month doing After Darks. So, you know, that's on me, guys. Mex didn't do anything. All Mex does is support the stream. So I didn't make it clear enough. I mean, what do we do, guys? You want to, like, shoot some stuff? These things jump around a little bit, don't they? They don't jump around too much, guys, when they're freaking dead. I watched that, man. I watched it. There's a reaction to it here. Where's the reaction? I think the reaction's on YouTube. Dude, he ducked through that one, bro. I'm just wasting mana. The lightning build is amazing, though. Did you like that trailer, Bastion Bree? It looked exciting. It looked good. And I already know it's going to be great. I don't care if it's exactly like Elden Ring. If it's more Elden Ring, that's good enough for me. Because I love Elden Ring. Eat it. You know, big one, small one. Whoa. He's trying to kill me, guys. I just cleaned the whole room out. Madam Mana! Ah! I still need mana for that too! Not for this, though. Get poked. God. Dude, that was crazy, bro. I thought I was being so sharp getting my sword out, and then I realized I need mana for my sword too. That was dumb. Anything over here? Old Fang. Dry liver. Lightning liver. The lightning build destroys. We did it once before, man. We did it once before. It was a long time ago. And so we're revisiting it. And it is... I don't remember what happened on the fire giant, guys. I don't remember what happened on the fire giant. Oh, I should have rested, right? I don't remember what happened on the fire giant on the first playthrough. The first lightning build playthrough. I am better. I'm a much better player. I'm much better with my spells, mouse, and keyboard. Drew helped guide me into using multiple spells. Now, I think we might go ahead and ding-dong just... I got to ding her up, right? Maybe the soldiers would be a little more fun. Subscribed on YouTube, Bash and Bree. Thank you, man. Thank you, dude. Yeah, if you hit the bell for live notifications, and if you join that live alert channel... Okay, we got to drink up again now. Damn it, he hit me. Now I went on my ritual sword talisman, but I'm going to go with it anyway. Do we hurt him? I can't see his freaking... Where's his health bar? It's always so tiny. Oh my god, he takes no damage. He's immune to... Guys, bad news. Bad news. He's immune. He's immune, guys. He's a lightning dragon that's immune to lightning. I'm going to let you guys go ahead and take care of him real quick. Yeah, we're done. We're not doing him. That guy is not going down, guys. I am not going to, like, I don't need to learn any new spells for my cheese build, okay? Is Fia's dragon going to be the same? Because I like to kill Fortisax. Somehow I feel like he melted, guys. But this guy here, this guy would not melt. I hit him hard a few times, and he was like at 80% or something. Yeah. No. Almost had to play Elden Ring there, folks. Not doing that. Not doing that. We have low viewership here, says Billy. Tonight, it's chat popping on Facebook. Or what? You know what? That's the thing about restreaming, and that's why I want to focus on one platform at a time. Do you know what I'm saying? And normally it would only be Facebook, but I need to get a presence on YouTube, and so that's why I moved to After Dark there. And so I won't normally be streaming to Facebook and YouTube, but I need my After Darkers to know that we are on YouTube, and that's why I'm doing this stream. Guys, YouTube. Check it out. There's content there. There's videos. All the stream. Whoa. Wow. All the there's streams you guys missed, man, and there's some real good ones too. So go check them out. Thank you, Bash and Bree. Of course, Chess is alive and well and not going anywhere on Facebook. Zombie animation is cool for the alert. Yeah, did the alert pop? I haven't been hearing the alerts. Let me look and see what I'm doing. Am I like fighting bosses? Yep, Brian Kinney is subscribed. There we go. Yep, that sub is there. And Bastion Bree with the share. We got that. And we got a new follow 41 minutes ago from Ella Daisy on Twitch. Did that work? Yeah, see, guys. You know what happened is so much of the it's so quiet on Twitch on YouTube because like there's no I'm not monetized there. There's no oh man, I have to go this way this time. There's no there's less alerts. And so when I see the alerts, I don't always I don't react to them as well as I've been doing on Facebook for all these years. You know what I'm saying? Do that so I can see the fool. Ah! I want my loot. You can't drink in the air. If he follows me down. I follow you. Just run, right, guys? I mean, just pretend like I've done this before. I don't like the way I can't see the ground. It's like, I want to get close to the edge, guys. For the 21st jump scare. That was scary, guys. First time it got me. Actually, second time it might have got me too, because I'm not very quick on the uptake. This is going to be interesting. I say Bernal and everyone, right? Just go ahead and let's just go ahead and cluster this. You guys want to just go for a full cluster scenario? It's a playthrough, folks. Whoa. Resting, resting, resting. I could sleep them both and then try and cheese them both, but I think they have a lot of health. Right? And if I summons, he'll be waking them up if they sleep. But if I could sleep them both in the same region, inventorio, wait, equipmentorio. Let's see if we get any sleep pots, guys. I never dreamed I could be that okay with the bewitching branches. I have 6. I don't know, man. We'll have to run in, and we're not going to be buffed. Oh, no. On the first pull, we will. Just running in, guys. Oh God, he's in a worst possible spot. I rolled it too early, and the sleep pot, didn't work the way I was hoping it would. Okay, plan B. Bernal, Black Knife Tish, and just melt stuff. I don't know. Could be fun. It's a cheese build, guys. It's a freaking cheese build. The zombie animation is cool. Thank you, man. It was just a stock asset that I just kind of grabbed. Now we have to kill stuff, guys. And now, equipment. Now I'm going to take that off. We can buff for killing these 2 fools because they're... Okay. Oh my God, these things are so annoying. So annoying. I mean, like, I don't get my first shot off and all of a sudden I'm toasted. I don't think I can run past these guys and summon Bernal. I don't think I can. I could try. You want to try it? Is that a thing? Can you do it? Can you do it? Was he even there? Watch him not even be there. Watch him not even freaking be there. There's no way. You might as well come along too, buddy. I thought I could summon Bernal, like... But I might take a hit, though, is the thing. Bernal, 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 Bernal. Why am I so squishy? Am I like the squishiest freak? Hey, if you happen to... Jacket Retailer, thank you for the like. And the... Joshua Sosa, thank you for the like, man. Yeah. Okay. So this time, buff up and try and kill him, I guess, again. don't want to do that. I'm wasting money, bro. All right. The lightning works, guys. This next fool we can skip if we're patient. If we're patient. Are we patient, guys? I have like a ton of health pots and no mana. Going old school, guys. We're popping starlight shards like in the freaking in the PvP cheese build. Let's go, stream rock, and you know it, Truth. You know it, my brother. Okay, now we have a nice relaxing summons, guys. Who do you guys want? I think we have everything available, guys. We got a Tish. We got Burnall. Burnall's coming for sure. And do you guys want like a dung eater? A teacher? What are you guys into? I am going to probably be trying to hit them with the poopies. Because it's a cheese build. Right? And that's what we're here for, folks. So if I go in, I've got a Tish up. The Great Shield Soldier Ashes. That could actually be something that could probably help too with... That's going to be a lot of bodies running around, guys. These guys are going to be freaking... Let's do it. Let's do the Great Shield Soldier Ashes, guys. That and Burnall is going to be a lot of confusion, guys. One thing about me, I like being confused. Confused? Confused! I better have enough mana. I do. I'm on Burnalls. Oh my god. Get them both. Yeah, you better hit me. You know why? Because I'm the guy doing the big damn. That was pretty good. Look at that! That was pretty good. Should I be buffing? What's Burnall doing? You staying close to me or something? People say Burnall melts these guys. Ooh, I ate the fireball. I should have drank. I think I did it, guys. I think we freaking melted. Get over here for the freaking... Get over here for the picture, Burnall. They have new DLC trailer, and I haven't watched it yet. Jackery Taylor, everyone got up at like 9 in the morning yesterday to watch it, and I didn't. And I watched it last night at the end of the day, man. I watched it last night at the end of the day. At 8 o'clock. 24 hours ago. On the last stream on YouTube. You can go watch it. Dude, have you heard there may be a DLC boss that can get control of your summons? Go for the confusion. Way to go. Thank you, Caleb. How does it look? Well, it's a trailer, man. I mean, they made a great trailer. Looked like we saw some new bosses, some new abilities and stuff, some new weapon kind of things. You know what I'm saying? It was new. It was a bunch of new stuff, new areas, a huge castle that looks freaking awesome. Okay, now we go to Malekith, right? That's going to be tricky. The Malekith. The Malekith will be tricky. Almost died. Oh. Give me my stand back. Whoa. That was dangerous, guys. That was dangerous. Okay, we're gonna kill this guard, guys. We're gonna kill the guard because we're gonna buff up and we're gonna cheese him. I think is the move. You're back, Trey. Welcome back, my friend. How you doing, man? It looks good, man. It looks good. This guy. Thing is, it's going to be hard to get the poopy off on him. Told you. Not even close. All right. I got a better idea. I'm going to run past this fool. I don't know how I would cheese this guy. I mean, I can get a fully charged lightning in his back. Unequipped reaching branch before it. Put you in a bind. I did, Billy. I did. I put the sleep pot in its place. And then I unequipped it. Right? Yeah, I did. I did. Thank you, though, Billy. Looking out for me. You know, I'm easily confused, folks. Billy knows me. The jump, folks. I almost jumped a little bit too far to the right. This is a little more center. I was still probably a half an inch to the right. I mean, it's not a problem. You don't fall. Charlie has a reaction video up. How does it look? Yeah, I have a reaction video up, and it's at the beginning of the stream. Yesterday's stream. Go to Charlie Sardo Gaming on YouTube. Go to the first video. The last one, or, yeah, it'll be right in top left if you go to my page. Except for this one. You might have to click on lives, but you'll see it. And it's called, like, My Late Reaction. And it's a community. It's everyone just like this, only it's 24 hours ago, and we react to it. We react to it once just watching, and then we react to it a second time, pausing it and kind of looking at it. Guys, we got to try this guy again. We got to try this guy again because I want to see what a straight lightning spear in his back, no shield gets. You know what I'm saying? Wish me luck, guys. No! I stayed with that one. I knew the range was going to get me, guys. Oh my god, I rolled early into that. That was really weak. Oh, I think I got through his shield. Alright, that was close. Hey, Sanji Vin Smoke with the 20 and the 20. Thank you, Sanji, for the stars, man. It really helps the stream. First stars of the stream, Sir Charles Keytron. With the 500. Oh my god, you guys started a stars party in the After Dark community. If you guys complete the stars party, you will see pretty colors, but it's important to remember, folks. Not wacky. Still not wacky. Thank you, Mr. Keytron. That should pop here in a second. It should read it. We got to try again, guys. Huff, puff, and buff. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Mr. Keytron with the 500 stars. Thank you, Mr. Keytron.
Huff, puff and buff, then muck 'em up, King Charlie of the Chiller Kingdom chess pawn guitar, crossed swords dagger shield.
Mr. Keytron, thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. Whoa. What the hell was that, man? I almost fell off the edge of the world, guys. Guys, I have to try again, guys, because I never got the arrow off. Totally wacky, man. The star type is real Sanji with the 20 and the 20, and then Sir Charles Creatron with the 500-star bomb. Starting a stars party. Thank you guys so much. If you guys complete it, it's amazing. And if you don't, you're still a freaking amazing, man. I appreciate all the love and support. Guys, I almost had him that time, too. Hey, 50%. Well, dude, I usually can roll those. So close. So close, guys. Life has been very hectic and amazing. Sir Charles Keatron, that is good. That is good news. A busy life and amazing life is a good life. Truth says, watch the trailer with captions on it. Helps to distinguish what is being said, but in general, the trailer was excellent. You nailed it. Let's go. Dude, I had that freaking guy, man. But I'm not, you know what? Now that I know I can kill him, I mean, we did better, one hit. You know what I'm doing now? I'm going to run past that fool. He's not worth my kill, folks. He's not worth my kill. Sorry. I remember a soldier dying next to me. Sorry. Remember that, guys? Riding on the metro. Berlin. That was Berlin, right? Good song, man. She's pretty. She's probably 20. You know, I was 14, so. What was her name? She was a good singer. Hi, Charlie. You doing all soloing tonight? I haven't really decided. I know that with this build, the cheese factor and everything, I'm wanting to kill these bosses by myself. If I get to a point where I need help, I'll probably, ask for it. But I don't know, man. I don't know. What I've kind of been doing lately, right, is starting the stream off, and if you haven't noticed, and playing by myself, and then a little bit later jumping into some games if some people want to play. You know what I'm saying? So like tonight, man, as far as I know, I had no idea what to expect. I could still be on a freaking fire giant right now. You know what I'm saying? Oh wait, there's one here. Get the birdie, get the birdie. Ah, that was close, guys. That was close and annoy, yoy. Now, there's a bird down here, I think. Oh, God. Oh, the dragon woke up. The birds are weak, guys. If you can hit them. But you got to be careful. Yeah, so I never have, like, any kind of dead set schedule. You know, the fact is, I don't have any dead set schedule with Trey and Drew or Kat either, to where we've made plans before. Like, okay, you guys want to be on at 9 tonight? Cool, we'll play. You know what I mean? But we don't always do that, and we haven't done that tonight, so they might be here, they might not be. I don't know. I'm just here with the flow, man. You know what I'm saying? Okay, there's one up here. Dude, I have never cleared the birds so easy like this before. Oh my God, there's another bird up there. This pathway seems clear right now. Usually it gets a little bit nasty. I think the best thing to do is just run. Try and avoid the lightning. You know? Yeah. So like I said, the answer to that for me is I just don't know. But I think if I'm going to like I did my magma worm on this boss last night on this build. But I think all the main bosses, I think I'm just running myself just for the content, for the playthrough, you know what I'm saying? And I still need to respec my... Oh, God, no, there's one right here. for the Reduvia dagger build. Whoa. He's in the wall. He's strong, guys. You gotta watch out. Sometimes you gotta keep hitting him with the light poopies. You know what I mean? I still have not respected my Reduvia dagger build. Yeah, I shouldn't have got hit there because now I can die over here. Okay. There's no way! I have to do it again. 9:30 is quickly approaching, folks. Yeah, man. Yeah, like I said, I just never know, because if we don't make plans, then I don't know, so I'm just going with the flow, you know? Did you want to do some stuff, Trey? See, the thing is, for me, with this character, with this lightning build, I'm kind of wanting to just kind of run through these bosses myself, you know what I'm saying? Last night we did a few of the minor things. We did, Magma Worm, right? And the precipice, because, oh my god. But, like, I'm thinking I want to do Malekith and stuff myself. That doesn't mean I couldn't start another one and catch up to you guys. You know what I mean? Or do some other stuff on one of the other builds, like on the Reduvia daggers, because I want to further that playthrough. Guys, can you believe I got to do this all again? But you know what? Whoa, the lightning is real, guys. The lightning is nasty. I see one. Come on. I knew it was going to hit the ground. Now he's going to fly. Don't fly. Good. That was nice and close, too. Oh, man. This one. I'm dead. Get me out of lightning. Jinx yourself. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, so if you want to play a little bit later, man, I'm down. I still haven't played with the Reduvia daggers in the correct spec, I don't think. Maybe I just started doing it. Yeah, I think I started goofing around with it. Maybe I respect it when... He should fly away, right? See, he flies away if you attack him. You don't have to 50% him or anything. I think. Maybe I'm wrong. Because I know that if you shoot him with the bow from across the whole map... Did you know that, Trey? I showed Kat, I think. Right back from where the first birds are, if you shoot that dragon with the bow, like a great bow, a long bow, he'll just fly away. And there's no freaking lightning the whole time. Trey's gonna be happy. New owner of a PS5 Elden Ring Collector's Edition. He gets it Saturday. Wow. So that thing comes that quick, huh? Those things are like they just ship, huh? And you get it from that Bandai Namco website, right? See, a little different this time, huh? Might want to save up a little bit of stam. In the no-hit run, the guy totally... Oh my god, there's no way! No, this is base game. Oh, the collector's edition. Well, the collector's edition is the one we're talking about, right? Oh, the collector's edition for... Oh, okay, I got you. Now I just want to run. But you know what? We're going to clear again. Oh, and yeah, that second one came out of the freaking door. He hit me, but that wasn't the end of the world. I'm topping off because I can't believe I died. What's in my physic? Nothing that's freaking keeping me alive. So I can't let that guy 2 hit me. I don't think he hit... The bow hit from here. And the lightning's not really the problem anyway. But I'm telling you, you could take a bow and shoot that guy like with a longbow from right here just once, and he'll fly away. Lightning go. It's crazy. I did it. That was pretty workable. Get this one. Bam! Guys, can you believe I freaking died twice at the end part? I almost want to change my gear. Because I have like that lightning damage thing. You know what? Oh my god. Wow. I just ran through it. I have the like I want to put like stuff on like that will keep me alive. I bought the original collector's edition from the legendary Caleb Boyd and got the new collector's edition from the Bandai website, like you said. Yeah. I was on it last night, but it was late and I was tired. And I'm like, I'm so careful when I buy stuff online. Once I get set up with Steam, I just click and I buy the game. First time I'm setting up with Steam, I'm like, I'm not streaming right now, right? And I'm like holding my credit card away from the camera in case someone hacked it. And I'm like, okay, this is called Steam, right? It's not stream.com. It's like, you know, I don't want to rush. And I'm like, Bandai Namco, the freaking website, it looked good. It did inspire confidence. It wasn't as cool as like battle.net or Steam or something, right? And I'm like, I'm kind of getting ready to enter my info, and I'm like, you know what, man? You've had a long day. You're tired. Had a couple squirrels. Don't buy this right now. Just buy it tomorrow. I got up this morning feeling great. Feeling so great, I started working, and I got a ton of killer stuff done today. Guys, equipment. Check it. Flock Talisman. Damage negation. Scorpion Charm. Crimson Ammon Medallion. Dude, I am freaking gearing up for the run, guys, so I don't die again. Pearl Drake is good. Equipment Dorio. And the last one. Yeah, Godfrey's icon. Okay, I gotta remember what I had in here. Can I do this one too? Oh no. Yeah, let's do I don't know what other dam does, so we'll just get more stamp for the run. All right. And I'll have a gray, so I can't mix my physic. I can't waste a health pot though on top off. Identity theft is a thing. Yeah. So you know what I'm saying? I'm not like, guys, I buy stuff online, okay? I literally was like, man, it's late, you're tired. Like I said, I had a couple of sippies, and I'm like, wait till tomorrow, dude. Be smart. Wait till tomorrow. Ain't no thing. And then I got up feeling so good, kicking butt. I edited videos. And I got so much killer stuff done today. You shouldn't throw stuff at me that close. He's gonna hit me. If he hits me, I'm gonna have. Okay, we need to stand. God, guys. This elevator, I think, is friendly. It takes off at a reasonable pace. Okay, guys, welcome to 30 minutes ago and beside the Great Bridge. Yeah, Impaler statue and a code for the DLC. Yeah. Yeah, it gives you a code like a Steam code or something, right? They mail you a code to... Okay, now we have to put my clothes back on, guys. They're pretty easy, though, guys. They're pretty easy. It goes, Wait for it. Wait for it. I might have passed one already, but it's okay. Flock. Canvas. They're all down here, huh? Godfrey icon. Equipment Dorio. Sacred Lightning Charm. Lightning Scorpion Charm. And Equipment Dorio. The last one was the Ritual. This one. Ritual Sword Talisman. Yeah. Dude, when that happened, I put it on here the other day, guys, when I was first doing this build. Because we were here, because we were PvPing earlier. And I'm like, what was that? I just got attacked. I just got buffed. I got invaded. Yes, I'm switching to the full Facebook for the night. My friends are here. Mullenix, cool, man. That's cool, dude. Guys, don't even sweat it. Like I said, I ain't trying to give you choices, and I ain't trying to split up the community. I wanted to do a stream after dark. As a matter of fact, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and shut YouTube off. I'm going to shut YouTube off right now. YouTube, thank you guys. Throw me a sub. We're going to finish up on Facebook. I'll be back here tomorrow night, 8 p.m. You guys know these After Darks are on YouTube from now on, but I had to get back with the Facebook community because we have a full community there, and people were missing us and not knowing where we are. And Twitch, same thing. Twitch, love you. Oh, it says offline. Why does it say offline? It's weird, but shutting that off. And YouTube, good night. Love you. Thank you. Hit me a sub on the way out. And then the X, I think. Now let me just double check and see that stuff got shut off, guys. And then we're gonna wrap up the night on end stream on YouTube. Love you, YouTube. Thank you, end stream. And my YouTube